Over here at Trump Tower International. We're doing a trash chute cleaning. I think like 40-something story building. Got my guys already setting up in the trash room.
I got a whole lot of bills and a whole lot of problems. Take the day off, Bombay week on something. Take it easy, flow like the breeze. This is exactly what I need.
This is trash room.
Sun has shined, recipe for peace of mind. Coconut mixed with the lime. I'm living in paradise.
Hoses. Truck. Doing it kind of clean, pressure wash, clean all around this compactor, get everything out, drop the hoses from the top floor, and then start the cleaning. We're here at the top of the Trump Towers. Got all the hoses up here. I'm going to drop it down the chute. Hey, the sandbags are kind of flimsy because of the sun, so just be careful. Like it might break. So I got these hoses down and then we got the rope over here. And we're going to pull up and then we're going to drop the spinner from the top. So we got about 38 floors over here. I'm going to start the cleaning as soon as we get these hoses all the way down. What we're doing is we're dropping the hoses down the trash chute. So we got about 300 feet. There's about 30 stories right now. And we got this spinner. What we're gonna do is we're gonna connect it to the rope. As soon as all the hose is down, we're gonna connect the hose to the spinner, and then we're gonna connect the rope also to the spinner, and then we're gonna start dropping it down. We're gonna drop it really slow using hot water, going all the way down until we get all the way to the bottom. So here we are on the rooftop, Trump Towers, about ready to get started on this trash chute cleaning. Alright, so we got everything set up on the bottom. So the hose we dropped from the rooftop, we made it all the way to the bottom. We're going to go ahead and clean this area, clean around here before we start, and then we're going to go ahead and drop the spinner from the top. And so everything's connected to our truck. As soon as we turn on the hose, turn on the hot water, it's going to start, the cleaning is going to start. Let's get started. Cleaning started.
Take the day off, Bombay week on something. Take it easy, flow like the breeze. This is exactly what I need. Sun has shined, recipe for peace of mind. Coconut mixed with the lime. I'm living in paradise. Good life's taking over, the weight off my shoulders. Back for a day, adulting for a different date. You wanna feel up to date. Take advantage and enjoy. Wind the clock back for a day, adopting for a different date. We wanna free up today. Take advantage and enjoy. I just want to be like at my peace. Music up because it sure sounds sweet.